I'm struggling with Microsoft Visio. Can you help me improve my skills?
Absolutely. Microsoft Visio is a powerful tool that can help you create compelling, visually engaging, and professional quality graphics. Let's start with the basics.
Okay, where do I begin?
First, you need to understand the different types of diagrams you can create in Visio, such as flowcharts, org charts, and diagrams. Then, you can start building your own diagrams using the shapes and templates available in the app.
That sounds easy enough. What's next?
Once you've mastered the basics, you can move on to more advanced features, such as data linking, which allows you to create data-rich diagrams that update automatically. You can also use layers to organize your diagrams and make them easier to understand.
Wow, I had no idea Visio could do all that. How can I practice and improve my skills?
Our Visio training course consists of 36 bite-sized video lessons that offer easy-to-follow training, practice materials, and quizzes to enable hands-on learning. You'll start with the basics and work your way up to more advanced features. Plus, you'll receive a training certificate to help you strengthen your resume.
That sounds perfect. Thank you for your help.
You're very welcome. Remember, with the right training and practice, you can create compelling, visually engaging, and professional quality graphics that will help you communicate your ideas, information, and data more effectively.